Hi everyone, I'm Cyrus Hugo from GD117B23, and today I want to share something that might surprise you. How reading Greek tragedies, especially Oedipus Rex, can actually change the way we see stories and even life itself. I know, when we hear Greek literature, many of us think it's ancient, hard to understand, or just another school requirement. But once you dive in, you'll realize these stories are timeless. They talk about love, pride, destiny, pain, and truth. Things that we still experience today. That what makes Greek tragedies so powerful. They were written thousands of years ago. But the emotion they show they feel as real as ever. Let's take Oedipus Rex as an example. This story is about King Oedipus of Thebes, a wise and respected leader who wants nothing but the best for his people. When his city is struck by a terrible plague, he promises to find the reason behind it. But as he digs deeper, he uncovers a horrifying truth that he himself is the cause of the plague. Without realizing it, he had killed his own father and married his mother, fulfilling a prophecy he had been trying to avoid his entire life. It sounds shocking and tragic, but that's what makes it a masterpiece. The story is not just about destiny. It's about how our choices, pride, and search for truth can sometimes destroy us, yet also helps us see who we really are. What really interesting is that Oedipus is not a bad person. He's intelligent, determined, and brave, qualities we usually admire. But his downfall comes from something we can all relate to: the pride and the refusal to see the truth. He represents how humans can sometimes be blinded by their own confidence, believing they can control everything, even fate. Greek tragedy in general teaches us that life isn't always fair or predictable. It shows us that even we try to escape our destiny, sometimes it catches up to us. But it's not all sad. These stories encourage reflection. They make us ask, how do I face my mistake? What do I do when life doesn't go the way as I planned? Reading stories like Oedipus Rex helps us understand human nature, our weakness, emotions, and the consequences of our choice. That's why I think young people today should give Greek tragedies a chance. They're not just old books, they're mirrors of life, written in the most dramatic and poetic way as possible. Reading Oedipus Rex will make you realize how emotion and wisdom a single story can hold. It's intense, it's thought provoking, and it stays with you long after you finish reading. So if you're looking for something meaningful to read, try Oedipus Rex. It's a short but unforgettable journey into faith, truth, and self-discovery. Greek tragedies like this one reminds us that reading great books isn't just about passing a subject. It's about learning from stories that shape how we understand life itself. Once again, I'm Cyrus Huko from GED117B23. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you to read more great books, because sometimes the older stories can teach us most about who we are and who we can become. That's all.